Hey everyone, I'm Manikesh Kumar and welcome back to another project. I have made another clone of the app I was using previously. So this is like basically a voice recorder app with AI integration in this. As you can see, I've used like 3 to 4 LLMs. Anyway, let me just tell you more about this. So mm, I built this app because I got tired of recording apps that want like access to everything in my phone, like contact access, media access, file access, everything. So I was tired of that and I thought why not build one of my own. And this also solves one problem, like this LLM one which I've integrated. The reason for it, like let me just give you a quick problem what I was facing. Let's say your friend or anyone has sent you audio, but the audio is too big to listen. Like you cannot be the audio is too big to listen, and you don't have that much time to listen it. So what you can do is you can just ask summary for that audio, and LLM will give you. And another problem I was facing was like that. Let's say you are traveling somewhere else and you are not fan of using earbuds or earphone or something, but your friend or someone has sent you the audio and you want to listen it, but due to privacy you cannot listen it. So what I did was like it will first extract that text from the audio. I have used Vosk model for it, this one, and currently it only supports Hindi and English, as you can see. And it extracts that audio and it gives context to the LLM. So LLM has context of each audio, like in each chat, it has unique context to each audio for that audio only in chat. So yeah, and if you want to ask anything to that, it will only answer you according to that only. For the tech stack, I have used like Kotlin with Jetpack Compose, and for the database, I have used like Room, like it stored data with Room. And let me just give you a quick tour of the app so you will get better idea of it. Just wait a second. So yeah, this is the app I was talking about, and this one is the app, as you can see, this one. And let me just open it. So UI is not good, I know, but the main function was to record audio and solve that problem, privacy one. So we have this like uh, three dot button at the top. We have this list button. We have this red button for the like record audio. Like if you press on this, it will record audio. So let's go on the this one, and this is all the audio, as you can see. I have imported also. I have like recorded this one, test one, as you can see. I have recorded this in this app only. And let me just give you one by one tour. And when you click on this, it will start recording the audio, and it will record everything you will see, whether it is in Hindi or English, whatever language. And when you press on this, it will play from the that side, and you can play again, record again. And when you have done recording it, you can just stop it, or you can just press this one. You can change the name also. If you don't change it, it will save some random name. And let me just say anything. If you want to add category, you can add category later. So let me just save it, and let me just give you another thing. This is the recycle bin. If you delete it, it will be saved here. You have to delete from there also. And this is the setting button. And this is the like recording quality. I have kept it medium for now for the storage issue. And if you want to block calls during recording, you can just enable it. And autoplay next, you can do it. And I have also SD card. So if you want to change it to SD card, you can change it. Recycle bin is tip. If you want to remove it, you can remove it or toggle it on. And save, transcribe AI recordings automatically. If you want to like transcribe AI recording automatically, like it will not transcribe unless you tell it. But if you want to enable it, it will automatically transcribe every audio you will save. And here is the LLM settings, and I am using currently Gemini. But if you want to use another one, I've already given the options for that. And if you want to test connection, you will see that connection has been test successful. Let me just go to the here, And as you can see, I have recorded this now. And if you want to mark it favorite, it will be in the favorite folders. As you can see, if you go in that folder, it will be there. And if you mark it, you can unmark it. We have search button also, and we have filter also. If you want to filter it, you can filter it, you can search it, and it will appear here. You can voice search it even. Just go again. And you can play through speaker or you can play through receiver. Like receiver will play from voice audio, not on a speaker, but like audio one. And you can edit it, like you can delete it if you want to. You can move it to any other folder if you want, or category. You can share it to the anything, like anywhere. You can delete it if you want to, but just delete it. And we also have edit option. So yeah, if you want to start it, you can start it. And we also have now share option, which I already told you. We have sorting option. If you want to sort anything, you can sort it. We have categories option. All the categories will be here, but if you want to create any category, you can just create it and add it, and it will be here. You can delete it. You can edit this category name if you want to rename it. And as you can see, this one I deleted now, and it is already in the recycle bin. If you want to delete it permanently, you can delete it, you can restore it. Let me just move any. And this is the same setting button which I already showed you. So this is the, like, let me just add it to the category. XYZ category, and you will see that the XYZ category has this one or this thing. And yeah, and now as you can see, so yeah, that was all. And let me just play audio. This is the imported one. I imported from the, like, their WhatsApp audio. As you can see, I will play it through the speaker. As you can see, I have played this through the speaker. And if you want to, like, see, yeah, as you can see, this is the recorded audio. And you can play through receiver name, share details. If you want to check details, you can see the path of this also. And also, like, if you want to speed it, you can speed it. Yes. And if you want to, like, you can just do this also. You can skip silences, you can back also. And if you want to listen on repeat, you can listen on repeat also. If you want to add it to bookmark, you can add it to bookmark also. And let me just show you the chat with AI option. As you can see, it will first ask you, is this Hindi file or English file? So this was English, and this is now processing. Let's wait a few seconds. It will take few time to process, and then I will show you the transcription also. As you can see, this has transcribed also. And if you want to, like, export full report, you can save as PDF, and it has been downloaded at this path. I have fixed this error, like it was not doing this. So now, as you can see, previously it was not doing this, but if I ask now, it will just give you a summary. The LLM is getting context. And as you can see, the audio describes a situation where farm animals take control of. This is actually like animal farm book. If you want to read it, you can read it. And if you want to, like, save it, you can save it to the export button, and you can download it. If you want to, like, copy it, you can just copy it. As you can see, I've already copied it now. And If you want to clear the conversation, you can just click it. And if you get the wrong transcription, you can always like transcribe it and it will also transcribe it. And I already show you the transcription. And let's just export full report, save as PDF file, and it has been saved here. Let me just save this one also. And as you can see, it has cleared the conversation history, and it has greeted me with the audio file name. So let's go back. Let me just show you that this saved folder where it was saved. So I will go back here, and it is in the download folder, voice vault. And as you can see, it is 6:21 p.m. and if you want to open it, I will give you to about this scan flow AI also later, but let me just open with this one. And as you can see, all of that was generated. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. If you want to see like, I don't have any Hindi audio, I don't know. Let me check. Audios. As you can see, yeah, this is giving me the opening also. Like if you want to open with this one, you will see that the audio has been imported successfully, and this is in Hindi. Let me just play through the speaker. As you can see, this was in Hindi. It will be available here. As you can see, it is 6:22 p.m. and this is also 6:22 p.m. and if you click on it, it will be here. And if you click on chat with AI, and if you give it like it was in the audio, it will just transcribe it, and it will give you the, like, you can ask anything about it. Is the same workflow as before, but this one is for Hindi. Let's say like Hindi one, if it is transcribed correctly or not. It will take time because like the problem was that like I had to convert like audio into like VOSC model version because it was not supporting M43. And let me just view transcription. As you can see, it has given me all the transcription. And if you want to ask it anything, you can just ask anything about the audio, and you can see it has given me the transcription also. And if you want to play it, you can play it also. If you want to mark it favorite, let me just show you that I have marked this as favorite, and this one also. Let me just go to the favorite. As you can see, it has been marked favorite, and if I just remove it, it will be removed. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. I have already told you. So yeah, thank you for. And also, like, if you want to like uh, contribute it, or you want this source code, you can always refer to the GitHub. Let me just show you my GitHub. What is this called? This is this one, this repository. As you can see, it is VoiceRecorder-App-AI. You can always contribute it. You can like change the UI, and I will accept the like contribution. Or if you want to make this as your own, you can always make it. So yeah, thank you for listening.